This new style of animation is all over Instagram, and some posts have already generated over 1 million views. Clients love this style and they're willing to pay a good amount for it. The best part is you can create it for free in under 10 minutes. Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how to do it. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave out a like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to keep making more tutorials for you. But before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about today's sponsor, which is MonsterONE. With a MonsterONE subscription, you get access to over 600,000 design elements, from video templates and graphics to sound effects and more. And here's the cool part, the subscription costs less than Envato or almost any other platform out there. The awesome folks over at MonsterONE were generous enough to give me a special discount link, so make sure to grab it in the description before it disappears. Now let's get to the video. Alright, here we are inside of the ChatGPT and let's begin. On the first step, what we need to do is that we need to tell the ChatGPT what style we want. As you have saw earlier, we want to create a yarn style animation. So I'm going to paste this prompt and I'm going to put this prompt in the description. Basically, this prompt will tell the ChatGPT or any other AI model to turn any image into a handcrafted yarn and wool style. And I'm going to just hit enter. And after you do that, ChatGPT or any other AI model will ask you to give a reference so it can turn it into a yarn style. So we're gonna open the Google, and this is just mandatory. You can search for anything. So let's just search for a couple walking in winter. And once it's loaded, I'm just gonna go towards the image. And let's just find something that is good. I like this style. So I'm just gonna get this one and I'm gonna make a screenshot out of it, and I'm gonna just press Ctrl+V to paste it, and then I'm gonna hit enter. Once we do that, ChatGPT starts to analyze the image, and then it's gonna write the prompt exactly as we have talked about it. And then we're gonna just tell the GPT to generate it in 1080 by 1920 because we want it for an Instagram reel. Alright, as you see, ChatGPT generated an image and it looks exactly what we want. Now on the next step, we want to ask for an animation prompt, which will make it easier for us when we want to animate it inside of the AI video models. So I'm just going to ask the ChatGPT to give me a animation prompt. So let's just start by give me a detailed animation prompt for this scene, but don't write a long prompt. And the reason for that is some AI models such as Kling, they have a limitation on the prompt. So if you write a too long prompt, it will not animate it for you. Now for the next step, you can use any AI video generation model such as Videotrick, Kling, or Sora 2. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to use the Kling because it has a free version. So let's just open the Kling. Alright, inside of the Kling, I'm just going to click on the video and I'm going to choose the latest video generation model. And as you see in here, I have already made a few examples for the clients and super good. And this is just another wool type animation that I have made, and these are just super beautiful to make. We're gonna just download this image really quick in here, and then we're gonna just upload it. Now I'm just gonna turn off the audio to make a bit less on the credits that I have in here, and let's just set the duration for 5 seconds on one output, and let's hit generate. And as you see, here's the final result, and it looks super good. The way that the walk socket was done. If you wanted to do it in After Effects, I don't think it was possible. You need to do it in the frame by frame animations. And as you see, we have made this animation less than 10 minutes. And now you can make your own story and animate it like this. And here we are at the end of this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave out a like and subscribe to the channel, as it would help me out a lot. Thank you so much. Goodbye.